Veterans, did you know the VA has some current and upcoming outreach events? Some of this information is going to pertain to VA compensation, healthcare, and much more. So in today's video, I'm going to take you to their website and we're going to go through and I'm going to show you how to filter and find some of these outreach events in your location. So if you're a veteran and you got questions about VA compensation, I'm going to show you some events that you can attend and possibly get the answers that you need. Let's get into it. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. You know who it is. My name is Dwayne. I got a video for that Kimball, United States Army veteran, retired VA rating specialist, and your VA claim nugget man. Today's video, I'm going to be talking about and showing you some outreach events on the VA's website. I know last year before, they had what was called Vet Fest, and it looks like they're doing it again, but this time they give a little bit more information on their website and help filter through a lot of the information. Okay, so these events are going to be going on throughout the year. And if you're someone that's going through the VA claims process, you might want to stick around and look at this website so you can get some answers to some of your questions, possibly at one of these events. Okay, so I'm going to take you to the VA's website. And as you can see here, this is the VA's website. Okay, this link is in the description section of this video. Okay, so you can sign in, but I don't think you need to. All right, and you scroll down, they're going to be talking. They talk about outreach events, connecting veterans. Right here, this is what I'm reading: connecting veterans, service members, families, communities, discover resources, benefits. Okay, compensation benefits is what we're going to be talking about. Employment opportunities and wellness programs designed for veterans and caregivers. Okay. Now, again, this is on the VA's website, and I got to give kudos to the VA. They are doing a lot of good updates on their website. Okay. So I'm going to scroll down. You can see all these different events. Okay. Outreach, PACT Act enrollment at University of Hawaii West. Okay. Tribal Veterans Conference. All right. And then underneath here, it talks about or lists what you can get at these events. You can even add it to your calendar. You always need to do that. That's something I do to keep me on task. Okay. So show additional events. Let's see. Okay, here we go. So a lot of events. And you can see here, like this one, February 17th, 10 a.m., West Olive, Michigan, Providence, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, okay, Minnesota, Michigan, a lot of Massachusetts and Rhode Island, okay, and then show more. Now, I'm going to go back up here to the top, okay? I'm going to go back up here to the top. I didn't know I clicked that button. All right, so then we can filter, okay? We can type in something. We got categories, all event type, visits. That's hospitals, okay? Visits are hospitals. I know Visit 8, and they're not on here. That's in St. Pete, okay? Time zone, city, all states. You can do it by your state. But let's do it by categories, okay? So what do we have here? Burial benefits, career resources, caregivers. And this number right here represents the number of times, okay? Or number of locations, I'm sorry. Caregivers, I've been getting a lot of questions about the caregiver program. So if you've been denied previously and you got questions, you could click on caregivers and let's just see what it gives us. Okay. Caregivers. Did it give me anything? Okay. Yep. Right here. So you can see caregivers. Okay. And it's only 5. And this is in Arizona, Rhode Island. No, okay. So if you're in Rhode Island, you got questions about the caregiver program, you can attend one of these events, okay? And then we clear the filter. And the reason why I showed that is because I just did a video on that not too long ago, and veterans are saying, hey, Dwayne, I've been getting denied, and they don't understand why. Somebody is going to be at their benefit that can answer questions about the caregiver. But unfortunately, The only two locations in Rhode Island and Arizona. All right. So let's keep looking at some of these claims clinic. Oh, wait a minute. Claims clinic. Ooh, we're going to take a look at that one. Community partners, disability claim questions. Okay. Um, and then we have mental health, PACT Act. Okay. VA eligibility, veteran food, veteran ID card, women's veteran healthcare. Okay, so let's look at the claims clinic first, and then we'll look at disability claim questions. All right, so we got that filter there, claims clinic. Now, for the claims clinic, we have Rhode Island, Arizona, Oklahoma. Man, Rhode Island is doing it right for them to be the smallest state. Because yeah, Rhode Island is smaller state. Okay, a lot of things going on in Rhode Island. Okay. So this is the claims clinic. So let's look on Bristol, Rhode Island. Okay. Let's click here. So this one is January 21st. I don't know if I'll have this video up by then, but there's other upcoming benefits. Okay. I'm sorry, events. And it says veterans are invited to take part. Uh, in the upcoming Veterans Cafe, welcoming social dining event designed to bring veterans together for connection, conversation, and community. Okay, hosted by VFW Post 237 in Bristol. Okay, and over here it gives a really cool map. So it's going to be at the VFW Post. Okay, that's the address. Then it says event details. Wednesday, January 21st, time 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. All right, people, they only giving you 2 hours. Location, Veterans Cafe is more than a meal, it's an opportunity to build. Okay. Um, and that's all we have. There's no contact information to get more information. Okay. So if you want, if you're in Rhode Island, if you have questions about this event, or hey, what are you all going to be doing at this event as it pertains to VA compensation claims? Reach out to VFW Post 237. Okay, because I did see some other locations that took me back to the first page here. Let's look at this Oklahoma, because I saw some of these where they actually had contacts with phone numbers. Okay. So that's why I'm clicking on different ones. Okay. This one is at the community church in was it Guthrie, Oklahoma. All right. It states, see, you can see the difference here. This is an in-person event, VA sponsor, Veterans Health Administration, event categories, claims clinic. So they're not saying giving too much detail about this claims clinic thing. All right. So I will say this, people. If you have a DBQ and Nexus statement, you want to file a claim, and you're be in Guthrie, Oklahoma on this particular date, you might want to take that information with you. Okay. Also, jot down your questions. Okay. Because they're not saying here, let me just double check here because I didn't review this one before this video, and I do apologize. My OKCVA is focusing on all VA veterans. I'm sorry, all veterans in their communities. If you're a veteran, widow, survivor, come to the community church to discuss your VA healthcare needs. The community church is hosting OKC, their spouse, caregivers, widows, military personnel nearing retirement, community engagement, da da da. The OKC Outreach Program is in full swing with outreach events throughout Oklahoma. Yeah, they talk about, this event will bring the necessary resources to the local communities by partnering with Muskogee Regional Benefit Office. They rate claims there, people, okay? The Oklahoma Department of Veterans Affairs, Oklahoma, da, 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 veterans providing toxic exposed. Yeah, so, okay, so it says bring in necessary resources. I don't know, it doesn't break down if they're going to have any VBA, Veterans Benefit Administration, compensation employees there, but they talk about, as you can see right here, claims clinic and disability claim questions. Okay. So again, if I was looking at, filing a claim or trying to get some questions answered, I would still go to one of these events, especially the ones where they say claims clinic and disability claims questions. Okay. Um, let's look at another category. We're going to look at the disability claim questions here because they got 25. So there's a lot more locations. Okay. So Des Plaines, Illinois. I didn't live in Des Plaines. That's just north of Chicago. But when I went on active duty, I had to go to the MEP station in Des Plaines, Illinois, because I left out of Chicago. Okay. So we got Massachusetts, Oklahoma's back on there. Man, Rhode Island is doing it, man. Benton Harbor, Michigan, been there before. West Olive. Let's see, we got some more locations. So a lot of these, man, they're like up in the Northwest, okay? Massachusetts and Rhode Island, okay? Let's see where else because we got 25 locations, okay? And then we got Massachusetts. So let's do something a little bit different. Let's go over to Michigan. I saw Benton Harbor, Michigan on here. Benton Harbor, here we go, okay? So burial benefits, disability claim questions. Now this one does not have a claims clinic. Okay. So let's just see Veterans Town Hall and Resource Fair. Okay. Let's see what they got. Okay. Okay. Hardly any information. Okay. But we have Ben Harbor VA Clinic. Okay. Ben Harbor VA Clinic. Come see why VA Care is a preferred provider for millions of veterans. Take a look at top notch facility. Tell our leadership what's on your mind and learn more about healthcare and benefits you've earned. Okay. Um, Veterans Health Administration. I don't know. It doesn't seem like they're going to have people there for disability claim questions, but I will still show up, people. I will still show up. Time 12 to 1. And they only give you an hour. I seriously doubt if they're going to have VBA employees there because it's only an hour. I could be wrong. But if you are in Ben Harbor, may not be a bad idea because you never know. Okay. But let's look at another location. I looked at some of these before. I can't remember which ones I did look at, but some of them had contact individuals, name, contact information, and stuff like that. So I don't know why some of the ones I'm showing you now, they don't have it. Okay. So this one is January 20th. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna have this up this video up by the time um, this will be already passed by the time I post this video, but it's 4 hours here. Again, not a whole lot of information. Sponsor Veterans Health Administration. Okay. I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna do one more for everybody. Okay. Let's do one more. Let's try Parker, Arizona. Okay, now this one is longer, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Again, January 23rd. I don't think this video will be up by then. This is the largest annual veteran service event we hosted in Parker area. Veterans should bring a copy of DD 214 and medical evidence for claims. Boom. There it is. Okay. So they're going to be doing something, people, and they're going to be there all day. Okay. 9 to 4. That's a long time. Okay. And they're going to be talking about these things here. So again, you could just come here. All right. Do a category search. You could do it by state, or you could do it by category. Okay. And then you just got to start searching and clicking, trying to find one in your area. Right. And after that, read the information and then attend. Okay. All right. So I hope that information is very valuable, but it is going to require you to invest some time. Again, the link is in the description section. Go out to the VA's website. You can search by state. You can search by, I think it's time zone, city. But then you can search by those categories. And you saw I went through claims clinic and then, disability claims questions. If you see individual's name and they provide a number, make sure you call them and say, hey, as it pertains to claims questions, is somebody from VBA going to be there? Would they be able to take my paperwork? Would I be able to file a claim? Would I be able to ask questions about the status of my claim, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera? All right. And check this out, people. Another thing you can do. Let's say you got a DBQ from a private physician. Just thought of this. Okay. But DBQs was a hot topic last year, and it's definitely going to be a hot topic this year. So you get a DBQ filled out and you about to submit the claim, and you have one of these events and they got claims, people there that can ask questions. Ask them this: are you a VSR and RVSR? VSRs do not get trained on what makes DBQs and Nexus statements actionable and sufficient. Raters, RVSRs do, and DROs, decision review officers, okay? Say, hey, before I file this claim, can you look at this DBQ and Nexus statement and let me know if it's actionable and sufficient for rating purposes? And they should be able to look at it because it doesn't take that long, right? They can maybe like 10 or 15 minutes look through it and then give you some feedback. Yep, it's good to go. Nope, it's missing this, 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 this. But if they're VSR, again, they don't get trained to know what makes a DBQ actionable and sufficient. So I hope this video was very helpful for you. So leave me a comment and hopefully they have one in your area. With that being said, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and as always, share this video with your fellow veterans. Thank you.